How to add filter in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. This is the place where you can find different tools and even create a new project. Here on the left top, simply tap on new project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now we're in this editing interface. Here you can make different cuts and edits to your video. Here on the bottom, you can find different tools that are available. Here on the right bottom, tap on Effects, and here there's a button called Filter. Simply tap on Filter. So this is the place where you can add different filters that are available. Now there are different ones that you can select from. Now tap on the one that you like. So basically you can use it and figure out which you want. At last, tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.